So here's an update video on my car. It's sitting on some AMG Aero 3 monoblocks. 3-piece wheels. I got them for a very good deal. Very clean wheel. Also, from the last video you haven't seen, I got these rear spats, side skirts, and also the front lip. So this is how the car is sitting right now. It's still on the BC Racing Coilovers. It's not rubbing, it's not scraping, so all that's sorted out. In the front I'm running 225 4517, and in the rear I'm running 245 4017. Okay, I'm going to be installing a new shift knob today. This is it here. It's from ICT in Germany. So they built it to my spec. I'm gonna install it now. Here's the old one. This came off a W204 Mercedes. I think it's automatic. And here's the new one. I paid about $130 Canadian dollars, and it comes with the boot and the shift knob. It's very easy to install. All you need to do is take the Allen key and tighten the bolts. So there's 3 bolts on the shift knob, and with the given Allen key you just tighten it down. It just slides on very nice. I'll slip this all the way down. Just snap in. And it's installed. Okay. So this car is a 6-speed manual. There is a version of this that has the illuminated shift pattern, but I do not have that. I didn't want to install that. I chose to have the red stitching on this one, and I think it's very nice.